What's up, guys? I'm about to go to the beach with my dogs, and yeah, so let's go. I forgot to tell you I got a new phone. Yeah, it's the iPhone 11 with the 2 cameras. Yeah, and it's white. I want to get a new case because this is just bland, but I didn't want to crack my phone, so I bought one at the store where I bought the phone from. But yeah, we about to go. Hey, let's go. Look at her. Aw, baby girl. Excited? Are you excited? We're here. Hello, pretty girl. Aw, baby, we're about to go, okay? Hello, we're here. We're here. Izzy. Yo, this is actually so hard to do right now because they're pulling me in all different directions. And I'm carrying all this stuff. But they're happy. We're throwing out the popcorn. Izzy. Woo! Princess. Yay! Izzy. Yay! Woo! So, I got this little. It's gonna be so weird if people see me doing this. They probably do. Oh well. Got this little setup here. Let me move this. Woo! All right. Just got this little umbrella, towel. I already had someone come up to me because I have a pug. You know. Come here, babies. Come say hi. Say hi. Aww. I think we're gonna wrap up our time here at the beach. Izzy has non-stop been panting. Princess honestly has been chilling. Like, they've been staying by me, except this one time Princess just wandered off. There was a father and son playing soccer and she was like, hey, pet me. I was like, what are you doing? This is not like you. You don't go up to other people. It's crazy. But they had a lot of fun. We went to the water and Izzy loved being in the water. It probably cooled her off a bit. Princess hated it. She did not like it. So every time I put Izzy in the water, I had to start picking up Princess so she wouldn't touch the water. But yeah, they've been having a good time. Periodically, we go for a little walk and then come back because they get too hot. But yeah, this was a good time. I'm gonna start doing this more often. I had a lot of fun. So we are on our way back home. It was a successful beach trip. Anyway, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you next time.